Hey everyone, Minisforum AI X1 Pro is a groundbreaking mini PC that sets a new standard for compact computing, blending cutting-edge hardware with AI-driven capabilities. Marketed as the first AI mini PC, with Copilot support, it is designed to cater to both productivity enthusiasts and gamers, offering a powerful performance boost for modern tasks. At its core lies the AMD Ryzen AI 9H X370 processor, a 12-core, 24-thread powerhouse featuring a mix of Zen 5 and Zen 5C cores with a 36-megabyte cache. This CPU delivers exceptional performance, making it one of the most robust processors available in a mini PC form factor. What truly sets the AI X1 Pro apart is its integration of AMD's XDNA 2-base neural processing unit, which delivers an impressive 50 TOPS of AI performance. This exceeds Microsoft's AI PC benchmarks, enabling seamless on-device execution of AI-driven tasks such as Copilot integration, intelligent automation, and real-time AI-enhanced workflows. This makes the device a future-proof choice for professionals and creatives who rely on AI-powered tools. For gaming and graphics-intensive tasks, the AI X1 Pro is equipped with the AMD Radeon 890M GPU, based on the RDNA 3.5 architecture. With 16 compute units, this GPU ensures smooth gameplay in modern 808 titles, offering improved frame rates and enhanced visual quality. Additionally, the inclusion of an OC-ULINK port allows users to connect an external GPU, further boosting graphical performance for demanding applications. Thermal management is a critical aspect of any compact system, and the AI X1 Pro excels in this regard. It features an advanced cooling system that includes dual silent fans, phase-change thermal materials, and dual copper heat pipes. This setup ensures stable performance even under heavy workloads, keeping temperatures below 80 degrees Celsius at full load while maintaining low noise levels. The built-in 135-watt power supply eliminates the need for an external adapter, contributing to a cleaner and more organized workspace. The AI X1 Pro also shines in terms of expandability. It supports up to 96 gigabytes of DDR5-560 RAM via dual SODIMM slots, making it ideal for memory-intensive tasks like video editing, 3D rendering, and AI computations. Storage options are equally impressive, with 3 M.2 280 PCIe 4.0 SSD slots supporting up to 4 terabytes each, allowing for a total storage capacity of 12 terabytes. An SD card slot is also included, providing added convenience for photographers and videographers who frequently transfer media files. Minisforum has incorporated several AI-driven features to enhance user experience. Security is also a priority, with a built-in fingerprint sensor offering secure and convenient access without the need for passwords. Connectivity options are future-proof, featuring USB 4 ports with data transfer speeds of up to 40 gigabytes per second, DisplayPort 2.0, HDMI 2.1, dual 2.5G Ethernet ports, Bluetooth 5.4, and Wi-Fi 7. The ability to support 4K displays simultaneously makes it an excellent choice for multitasking professionals. In summary, the Minisforum AI X1 Pro is a remarkable fusion of power, efficiency, and innovation. Its robust hardware, advanced AI capabilities, and thoughtful design make it a standout choice for both productivity and gaming, setting a new benchmark for what mini PCs can achieve. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day, and God bless you.